Today we're going to announce the winner of the outdoor speaker system from Dayton Audio and so much more. Professional speaker builders will know that it's frustrating to hear a noise when the speaker is playing but not sure what's causing it because it's moving too fast. With Dayton Audio's Audiostrobe, you can use a specialized strobing light to seemingly freeze the speaker in place while it's on to see exactly what the problems might be, even in complete darkness. Check it out. Taking the next leap in technology, the new IMS Exciters have an interchangeable mounting system, hence the name. This small disc can be attached with adhesive or even screws, which would allow you to detach and move it for testing purposes. All 8 different sized exciters use the same disc, so feel free to swap out and try different models. Learn more on partsexpress.com. If you're local to the Springboro area, that's Dayton and Cincinnati or beyond, stop by our speaker design competition this weekend to see some of the best and surely unique projects for builders all over the world. We'll also be showcasing the event on social media, so stay tuned there if you can't make it in person. Check out MidwestAudioFest.com for more information. Now is a great time to add an outdoor speaker system to your porch, deck, yard, or anything outside. One person who will be setting one up soon is the winner of last month's giveaway, who is Jack B. from Viroqua, Wisconsin. Big congratulations to Jack. We'll be in touch soon. This month, we've put together a kit for all the new speaker builders out there, which includes clamps, glue, and even a soldering iron. If you want to win, click on the giveaway link and get signed up today. Good luck to all who enter, and we'll see you next month.